How to add fonts to Capcut for PC. There are many fonts available in Capcut for adding text. Clicking on Text, you can see various fonts to choose from, with the default font being the most commonly used. On the right side of the default font in the control panel, there are font options. Click here to choose commercially available fonts where you can find a wide variety of fonts to choose from. This is the range of fonts provided by Capcut. If you wish to add additional fonts, there are options available. The three websites I most commonly use are Google Fonts, as well as this website and another one. Most of the fonts on these three websites are free. Okay, there are still plenty of fonts to choose from. Let's start by downloading the Roboto font. Click on Get Fonts in the top right corner and then click Download. Before installing the font, we need to close Capcut first as the font needs to be loaded into Capcut. Capcut can't install fonts when it's open. Click on the cross in the top right corner. After unpacking the font file package, we can see that it provides us with many options. This font is called the Roboto font. Let's randomly install one to give it a try. We click on Install. Well, that's the installation done. Then reopen Capcut and use the font we just added. Find the font that was just added and click on it. Now you can use the font we added.